Introducing 𝗕𝗄𝗃's latest innovation, Pro Shade. This revolutionary product combines tinted and PPF technology, specifically designed for car sunroofs, moonroofs, and panoramic sunroofs. As these features have become increasingly popular, Pro Shade is the perfect solution for modern car enthusiasts. Why is Pro Shade such a game changer? It offers heat resistance like tinted windows and protects your sunroof from scratches like a PPF. Without Pro Shade, infrared radiation passes through easily, making your car hotter. But with Pro Shade, IRR penetration drops and reflection increases thanks to its sputtered material, keeping your car cool and protected. Watch Pro Shade in action. Simulating stone chips at 120 to 140 kilometers per hour, it shows unbeatable durability. The sunroof stays intact thanks to its tough 8mm PPF layer. Pro Shade means total protection. Upgrade your sunroof protection with 𝗕𝗄𝗃 Pro Shade, heat resistance, UV protection, and durability. Contact us today.
Detailing your satisfaction.